Hey everybody, the Adept here, and I have kind of a special unboxing today. We'll actually be unboxing a keycap set, the Swag Keys La Vei En Rose Keycap set. I just thought that this, which is currently, as of when I'm recording this, on Labor Day weekend in 2024, is only $45 through the Swag Keys website for their Labor Day sale. I ordered it, it got here very promptly, and I thought that it was such a wonderful presentation that I would do a quick video for it. And as you see, it has wonderful motif on the front, the Vei En Rose here. Designed in South Korea, but made in China. And then it is actually a 3-part. So you have a slip case that you pull off. To reveal Rose thanking us for our purchase from Key BB. With again the Vei En Rose and heart emote icon, Swag Keys and Key BB, and then finally a second slipcase, which reveals the keycaps. The keycaps, which are double shot PBT keycaps, which I'm a fan of. The SWK here, if you can make it out. Keycaps, which are 1.5 millimeter double shot. Very nice. Everything has its own place, and it's able to stay there because of the little risers here. It is a very well kitted out set. This is the second level, and then there is actually last level with the different space bars and the alternate color accent pieces. One thing I really like about this set over some of the other sets is that this isn't really pink. I know it's not coming out as pink on the camera, and it really isn't. It's kind of a red tinted beige, and that is what is on the legends. It's what is on the alternate keycaps. So for people like myself who prefer a less pinkish vibe, not really a pink fan, this set is a great red set for you at a wonderful price. Great kitting. I mean, stepped control, I mean, come on, really. So it has your full f13, it's got your alternate backspace sizes. It does not, from what I saw, have a 1U backspace. So on the 40% that I have, that's not going to work. However, it does have the little shift, the little tab, all the different, another alternate little tab, plus and minus, a lot of different backspaces, like a full functioning control in the caps lock size, if that's what you're going for, as well as all of your alternate, or all your main here. It does use super, it does not use Win. A little bit of a disappointment for me, since I am a Windows user. But overall, this is a wonderful set. And it all goes back together. I imagine that I will have a little bit of a problem finding an appropriate shelf for this, but I think it's worth it because this is just a fabulous presentation. This keycap set you will see featured in the future on my build of the DR70F, which I actually have. It'll be the second time that you have seen that particular keyboard on a streamer stream. I purchased it from Clackbait, and it is going to be shipped out, and it should be on its way hopefully soon. It'll take a few weeks. Then this keycap set will go on it, I think with Strawberry Bear switches, but that is the keycap set. Please like and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and goodbye.